हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं कि जो 26 दिसंबर 2020 को जो पेपर हुआ है इलेक्ट्रिकल का राजस्थान जेई RSMSSB। सो आज हम देखने वाले हैं उसमें जो भी टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस आए हैं उनको हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे। जैसा कि हमें पता है कि 42 लेकर 120 तक जो क्वेश्चन थे, तो 60 + 20 80 जो क्वेश्चन थे टेक्निकल्स, उनकी आंसर हम लोग यहाँ पे देखने वाले हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। जैसा कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख पा रहे हैं कि ऑल मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल लूज द मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी व्हेन कैप्ड इन वैक्यूम। सो पहले मैं यहाँ से ब्रश यूज करता हूँ, और जैसे कि हमें पता है अगर गर्म करते हैं, हाई टेम्परेचर पर रखा जाता है तो उसकी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज लूज हो जाती है। तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि ये जो सी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है माइल्ड स्टील हैव। तो जैसे कि हमें पता है माइल्ड स्टील में काफ़ी हद तक बोल सकते हैं कि आयरन होता है और कुछ % कार्बन होता है, तो बी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा। अभी हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं 43rd क्वेश्चन, जो कि है कि इन ऑर्डर टू गेट बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स इन इंडिकेटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स। अगर हमें इंडिकेटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में अगर अच्छा रिजल्ट चाहिए तो हम क्या करते हैं, क्रिटिकल वैल्यू से स्लाइटली लेस डैम्प्ड वैल्यू लेते हैं, तो इसका ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा। 44th क्वेश्चन है, ए कंडक्टर्स carrying a current of 8 ampere and if magnitude of charge of an electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, then the number of electrons which flow through the cross section per second. It means we have to calculate the number of electrons, as we all know that Q equal to Ne. N is number of electrons, N is charge per electron, and Q equal to IT, current into time. So here time is given 1 second. Q is Q is Ne, and we have to calculate here. So Ne equal to IT. I is given 8. So by calculating we will find that C option is correct. So यहाँ पे C option correct है। 5 into 10 to the power 19। 45th क्वेश्चन अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं। जैसे कि हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इम्पीडेंस फॉर नेटवर्क शोन बिलो इज रेजिस्टेंस एंड इंडक्टेंस दिया है। तो L को हम LS लिखते हैं जब हम इसको लाप्लास में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो 1 की जगह LS लिखिए, I mean 1S लिखिए। L इक्वल टू इंडक्टेंस, तो 1S लिख के इसका इक्वलेंट इम्पीडेंस कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए, जो कि आप देखेंगे कि डी ऑप्शन की इक्वलेंट आएगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 46, हमें यहाँ पे इसकी इनिशियल वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। सो हम फाइनल वैल्यू थ्योरम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे, और हम एस स्क्वायर कॉमन लेके एस एफ एस करके और एस स्क्वायर कॉमन लेके 2/1 यहाँ पे बचेगा, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि इसकी इनिशियल वैल्यू 2 होगी, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा डी। 47th क्वेश्चन, द फिनोमेना ऑफ क्रीपिंग अकर्स इन, एज हमें पता है कि क्रीपिंग होती है जो इंडक्शन वाट आवर मीटर में होती है। जब हम वाट आवर मीटर जो हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को यूज़ करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कितना हमें बिल आया है, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजप्शन में जो यूज होता है वाट आवर मीटर होता है, तो इसका ए ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं हम लोग, रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी में बी मेजर्ड बाय। रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी हम मेजर करते हैं शेरिंग ब्रिज से। ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। कैंडेला इज SI यूनिट ऑफ, कैंडेला SI यूनिट है लुमिनस इंटेंसिटी, सो डी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा, बोल सकते हैं। 51 देखेंगे, सुपरपोजिशन थ्योरम इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर, as we all know that passive bilateral voltage calculation are linear calculations, but D power calculation is square calculation, so we can't use superposition for the calculation of power, so D option will be correct. Next question is, in series RLC circuit at resonance frequency current will be. As we all know that in series resonance at the frequency of resonance frequency, impedance is minimum and current is maximum. So here current will be maximum. A option is correct. Now next question 53. A 490 ohm RL load resistance is connected across a voltage source Vs is equal to 150 volt. The source internal resistance is Rs is 10 ohm. What is the output voltage across the load? As we all know that we will use here voltage division rule. So 490 upon 500 into 150, the answer will be 147. So D option is correct here. 54th. Which of the following power plant has least efficiency? As we all know that steam power plant has a least efficiency. Here it is A option is correct. You will calculate like Z1, 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 Z1 plus Z2. We have a shortcut of this question. If you will comment me in the in comment box, then I'll share with you the shortcuts for the Z parameter and Y parameters. Next question is 56. For the passive network, the coefficients of the polynomials P and Q in the network function analysis, as we all know that the coefficient of P and Q are real and positive. So B option is correct here. 57. Which of the following is not a permanent magnetic material? As we know that Alnico is used for permanent magnetic. So silicon iron is the option which is not used for the permanent or magnet. Silicon iron. Okay. Next. In their last orbit, all semiconductors have 4 electrons. 59th. The material from following having negative temperature coefficient of resistance. Copper, aluminum are conductors, brass is also conductor, but the carbon is semiconductor here. We can say the category, it is included in the semiconductor categories. 60th. For insulating material, dielectric strength and dielectric loss should be. As we all know that when we use any insulating material, so it should be loss, it should be less loss, and like we can say that it has high dielectric strength and low dielectric loss. So D option is correct. 61. Feeder is designed mainly from point of view of its current carrying capacity. B option is correct. 62. For particular system, corona loss at 60 Hz is 1 kilowatt per kilometer per phase. What is the corona loss at 50 Hz in kilowatt per kilometer per phase? So as we can use here formula P1 upon P2 equal to F1 plus 25 upon F2 plus 25. So answer will be B. B is the correct answer. B is correct answer. Now 63. Choose the correct schematic arrangement of nuclear power station. That is I think nuclear reactor, heat exchanger and steam turbine and then alternator. So option B will be correct. Now towards the 64th question. Permanent magnet type instrument may be used for DC only. The output of LVDT is the form of linear displacement of core. For accurate measurement of low DC voltage, which device should be used? DC potentiometer. 67th. Ampere circuital law stated that closed integral of S dot dl equal to I. C option is correct. A cylinder bar magnetic is kept along the axis of a circular coil. If the magnet is rotated about the axis, then no current will be induced in the coil because the flux will not change, because it has uniform shape. A hollow metallic sphere of radius r is kept at a potential of 1 volt. The total electric flux coming out of the concentric spherical surface of radius r is 4 pi epsilon naught r. C option is correct. 70. The leakage current in the transmission line is referred to as the conductance. Next question, 71. For the load flow studies, what are the quantities specified at load bus? What are the quantities are specified? Like option A is correct, P and Q. The power which must be available ever under emergency is known as firm reserve. Option 73rd. On which factor corona loss depend on? Diameter of conductor. Option C is correct. Next question, 74th. If a copper conductor is moved across a magnetic field, a voltage will be induced in the wire. 74th C. Now, which of the following is reciprocal of magnetic permeability? It's reluctivity. 75th A. Answer is right. Now 76th. The current induced in the rotor conductors of single phase induction motor has such direction which supports D. Supports in positive half and opposes in other half cycle of current. In superconductivity, the electrical resistance of material becomes zero. The option is correct. Now it's 78th question. Which law is synonym to the occurrence of diamagnetism? This is due to Lenz's law. Option A is correct. Now 79th. Consider a circular coil of radius r and the carrying current I as shown in figure. As we all know that B equal to mu naught I upon 2r, but it's half, but here the 4r is not given. The unit of Poynting vector is energy density. For push-pull converter, the filter capacitor can be obtained as C minimum equal to 1 minus 2d V upon 32 VF LF square. A